Tidy's integration with Xero accounting means that when you make sales, purchases and adjustments to your stock in Tidy, your Xero financial records are automatically updated. In this module, learn how to set up the connection to Xero from your Tidy account. Head to Xero under Global Settings. Click on Connect to Xero. This will take you to the Xero login page. Log in using your Xero details here. If you do not have a Xero account, sign up for a free trial to continue. If you are still trialling Tidy, connect to your Xero demo environment to prevent test transactions being sent to your live account. Click Allow Access and you'll be signed in and return to Tidy. As seen here, 4 tabs appear. Under General, you can select the Xero revenue, expense and asset accounts that you want to connect Tidy to. You will need to set up some accounts in your Xero chart of accounts first. To do this, go to Xero and click on Chart of Accounts under Accounting. Create an account, Stock on Hand, under the account type Current Asset. Also create an account, Stock Adjustments, under the account type Expense. Back in your Tidy account, click Refresh Xero Data at the bottom of the screen, then select your newly created accounts. For expenses and fixed price milestones and combined, choose an account for revenue received from charging out expenses and fixed price invoices. Enable Advanced Mappings allows you to override the account mapping above. Enable Auto Customer Mapping means that customers will be automatically mapped to their Xero contact when invoices are posted to Xero. Beneath this, you can enable auto approval of supplier invoices, sales invoices, credit and stock adjustments. This means they will appear in Xero as automatically approved rather than as drafts. Also, select whether your sales invoices show tax inclusive or exclusive prices. Under the Tax Rates tab, select the revenue and expense tax rates that will be applied. The Tracking tab will appear with categories such as departments, cost centres or locations if you have set up tracking categories in your Xero account. Lastly, the Branding tab is home to invoice templates, which Xero refers to as branding themes. These will only appear after they have been set up in Xero.